much. I think the session is now open. We still have about 10 minutes, I think. That's what I heard from Professor
No problem,
Javed.
Prof. Sudesh. You can discuss and do the closing. We are there. Don't worry that.
Okay, okay.
Alhamdulillah,
So,
all the presenter we manage, the
yeah,
recordings and all
yeah.
this thing. So
Okay.
now we are relaxed. So just we go to the Q&A. We
Yes,
have enough time. Don't worry that.
true. So, okay. So, any participants, if you have any questions or any requests for further information, so maybe you can ask any one of us now. I guess everybody must be very tired after a very long day.
Yeah, but still our number of participants is still number good, you know.
Yeah, I could see. Yes,
Still
more than
100.
70.
We have initially 100, but it's still 74, you know.
Yeah.
So numbers is still high. So hopefully that if anybody have any queries, and we have a lot of OPT researcher from Germany also. Yesterday they have the Malaysia and Germany partnership.
Yes.
So I saw that some faces are still there in that group, you know. So if they want to share some idea, we welcome, you know.
Yeah. So while
Prof.
waiting,
Sudesh, if there is no better, you to conclude, you know, the things.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
It's good, yeah.
So I would like to invite Professor Kosugi to give the concluding remark. So Professor Kosugi, if you're ready.
Okay. First, very thank you to all participants for joining this session for a long time. So we are very sorry to have stressed your become of the some technical issues for presentations. However, so we are able to see that so many experience and practical research and development of OPT and palm biomass. On the other hand, so environmental program and the programs related to GHG emissions has also become clear. Yesterday, so I also had the study by Germany group, and so I was very impressed to learn that many attempts being made around the world. So, however, so I feel that there is something so inadequate. It's not enough. So perhaps, as you know, the biomass is abundant, and technology is being developed. Nevertheless, it has not yet become a large economic industries. Why do this? So I have been involved in OPT research for nearly 15 years, and I know there is so many problems, many issues. So especially procurement and cost issues. So I think it's probably imbalance between the financial, economical, and so environmental motivations. I mentioned in my presentation. So by all means, let's control or balance these two gears well and develop the abundant resources such as OPT and EFVs for humankind and for the younger generations. I'd like to end this session in hope that OPT futures, furnitures and fuels or cosmetic and foods, beverage will be so commercialized and enjoyed in the futures. So in this time, so unfortunately, this session is just a small part of our project. We are also conducting the research on the environmental and LCA aspects, so show in the final presentation. Dr. Teo so mentioned, presented already. So I'd like to introduce it at next opportunities. If you are interested in our Satreps project, so please contact and join us in putting the OPT into the practical use. Okay, thank you very much today. So I'd like to return the progress to the general chairs.
Prof. Sudesh, there is one or two suggestion is coming. First by the Peter from the IOI group, he is going to start the laminated factories in coming time. So yesterday present. So he's saying that the detrimental effect of leaving OPT in the field after replanting should be followed up by RSPO and MSPO. This is his suggestion basically. And then the second one is finally understood that whole overview of OPT commercial values. Thank you for final closing remark by Prof. Kosigi. That is that the two remarks. There is no question basically. It's a some of the suggestion is that. So
okay, yeah, we take note of these comments and suggestions, and yes, we are trying to get sufficient data and scientific information before we go on to RSPO and MSPO. Yeah, I think this is the way forward. Thank you very much. Yeah.
And Prof. Sudesh, on behalf of the BIPALMA 2021, we are highly thankful for Satrep project team who put the confidence on us to do the special session. And we try and we will apologize if any technical or anything, a mistake coming from our side due to technical reason. We try our best to support your special session, but there's some technical error come during that one. So we will, sorry for that due to technical error, but it's really a very pleasure for us that you people come and do the special session in BIPALMA 2021. And this is a biggest success for us as a part of the team. And we look forward that in future, we are again planning to do the third BIPALMA, but not in Malaysia. And hopefully we will do the physical one. So we will hope that that time again, your project will continue. And if not, you get another good project on the OPT. And we will again work on that, what you call that, for working together on new third version of the BIPALMA. Thank you so much from our side. And if anybody have any remarks, we can take from the Satrep or anybody, because this is a closing of your special session. So any participant have any opinion or anything, we can take it, for otherwise we can.
Thank you to your team also, Prof. Javed and Dr. Midani, and I think many others who have been working tirelessly since I think last year. So I know it is not easy organizing a conference like this, especially more with this online system, which is new to many of us. Yes. So I think having all kinds of technical problems is to be expected because this is the first time. But nevertheless, I think the conference has been done very well, and we have been able to share information and also listen to very nice talks throughout this conference. And I hope we will be able to meet again in person. And our project,
even though I and you, we meet long time ago, even before pandemic, we meet in one conference in Kuala Lumpur. After that, I also did not visited the Penang. And you also did not come, to this side. So hopefully we can see each other in coming times. And another thing, the Prof, we are already done the recording of this session. a little bit interrupted, but we will try to share the recording with your team. So if somebody miss or something, you can share in your group. And others, regarding the certificate and others thing, we can prepare, and later on we can through the Dr. Ota. I forget that I have to thankful to Dr. Ota for communicating with us, continuous communicating and feedback from him. So I'm highly thankful to you. If you have, you can show your face to us, if you are around. I don't know he's around or not. I don't know. We invisibly we communicated with Midani and I, and we are highly thankful to him for reply from him and communicating with us, because he and Midani, basically I and you, basically we are out. We are just more a spectator in that communication, but mainly the Midani and Dr. Ota have communicated well, all the listing of the participant and everything they done together. So we are highly thankful to both of them for good communication and what we call the prompt reply from both sides, because sometimes when we do communication gap, so there is no communication gap. I also aware, you also aware, so communication is going on and all of us. So it's a beautiful, and it's happy to. So Medani, you want to take the final photo of this with the special session again, because some of the faces are, so can you open your camera? Before we close down this, please open the camera again, because some of the new faces are there, some of them are missing. So let's, we can do again one final before we are going to meet again, physically in the coming conference or somewhere, we are going to meet it that. So if anybody did not open, please open. We are about to take the photo of you as a memory, and later on we can share with you. Don't worry that all this recording and photograph is going to share with all of you with the presentation certificate and all these things. We are going to share it. So Midani, it seems that everybody's are ready. So you can take now the beautiful photo of memorable photo of the group. It's okay. And others, maybe the Prof. Sudesh, we take freestyle in Malaysia.
Freestyle.
We call it a freestyle, you can move free. No, don't feel uncomfortable with that.
Yeah.
So smiley face, huh? So take the one another, the Midani, that.
Yes, sure. Sure.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, it's from with the Prof. Sudesh. I'm also here. Prof. Sugi is also with freestyle. Nice to say, Dr. Leh, she's my, the institute from where I done my PhD.
Yes. Yeah.
So thank you all of you, and especially thank to all participants of Satreps. We have a very good delegates from the OPT project, and we are highly thankful to all of you on behalf of BIPALMA 2021, and also on behalf from the Satrep project team. We are highly thankful.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Prof. If you want to say something.
No. Okay. Thank you, and have a good evening.
So let's close that one. Thank you so much. Look forward to you, all of you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.
See you again. Thank you.